So the first thing to improve in your address position is make sure that you hold your cue to the correct chest position. So the most top amateur and professional players are holding cue higher chest, which means that just above the nipple area here, okay? You don't want to hold your cue under the belly, you want to hold higher, just right here. The reason is because that allows you to push cue straighter through the ball. So how to do this properly? So this is a good exercise. You basically put cue on the line. You need to twist your body to the side, to the left side as a right-hand player. And once your cue is on the line, then you need to put your body to the cue, specific to the higher chest area like this. So practice with the cue and put like this. Because that position not only helps you to cue straighter, but forms triangle between your elbow and the head, which is a good solid address position for the nice cueing. And then you can play soft shots, medium shots, and powerful shots without wobbly cue action. So once you get good, just use a cue ball and use the same principle. Put cue first, make sure that you hold to the specific chest area where you're gonna tend to land. Drop down, you see, I hold higher chest area. And then as you play the cue ball, with the cue ball, pull back, deliver, stay still, stand up. And you do the same thing with the left hand. You just have to make sure that you put your cue first, then you drop down, you see, higher chest, and then you can easily deliver the cue where you want. Just like that. It's a very good cueing exercise. You just approach, higher chest, and then as you pull back, watch that the cue direction points straight to the target.